Hi guys, welcome back to Image Kenya TV. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate your time and we hope you are doing well. Today guys, we wanted to bring you a quick update on the Makupa Bridge construction in Mombasa, Kenya. There has been a lot of progress since we last brought you updates on this project in December, and we're gonna be showing you some of those clips and comparing them with now. And as you will see, there's been a lot of progress as this project nears completion in June of this year. Makupa Bridge is a new bridge that has been under construction at a cost of 4.5 billion Kenya shillings that links Mombasa Island to the Kenyan mainland, replacing Makupa Causeway that was built in 1929. The new Makupa Bridge design is 457 meters long and comprises of two 4-lane bridges with a width of 20 meters each and an extra 2 meters rail for non-motorized traffic and a pedestrian footpath. As you guys have noticed, there has been a lot of progress since the last time we brought you this project, and the contractor has picked up the speed, and hopefully the project will be complete in June. And I'm pretty sure the residents of Mombasa are looking forward as this project helps to ease traffic. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate that. We would also appreciate if you'd like this video, you'd share it, and also leave us a comment down below. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And until next time, as we bring you more content, please be kind to the people around you. Have a good day and be blessed.